Locksmith Lantzville.
Locked out, need keys? If you need a lock change or locks rekey, Mr. Locksmith
Lantzville
is here to help you when you have a home security issue. Our Mr. Locksmiths are licensed, bonded, and insured. Call Mr. Locksmith now and book your appointment. We are available 24 hours a day. Our services include lock change services, home unlock services, 24-hour locksmith service, lock rekey services. Whether you need just new keys or a new high security deadbolt installed, we have you covered. There's no such thing as a $15 or $25 locksmith. Don't be scammed by unlicensed online scammer locksmiths. Lost your keys to your mailbox? We can make keys, master key systems, lock repaired, high security lock installation, and much more. If you have an issue with your locks or keys, don't wait any longer and call Mr. Locksmith or book your appointment online now.